Hi, I'm Micah with the Willis Auto Campus and Willis Accessories, and today we're going to take a second look at our Jaguar F Type. Now, as you can see, the teardown's begun. We've started to take out some of the headlights, the vents, but the number one thing you're going to look at here is our satin dark gray vinyl. Now, we've decided to switch from a silver to more of a satin dark gray with a little bit of metallic flake. We wanted it to match up very, very well with the already satin dark gray we have on the splitter, as well as a couple of the other accented portions of the vehicle. Now, a couple portions of the vehicle already have from the factory a gloss black accent. You're gonna see a few more of those as the process continues, and you're gonna see it custom cut right here by our highly trained technicians at Willis Accessories. We're really, really excited so far with the project of our Jaguar F Type. Now, stay in touch with us on both Willis Accessories and Willis Services Facebook page so you can see the finished product.